Hello, this is Brian Rezny, president of Rezny Wealth Management, bringing you an important update about the economy and the investment markets. Firmly into the second half of the year, and the quarter's actually off to a decent start. We've had volatility, but of course we've regained most of the volatility downside back to the upside. As I've talked repeatedly, remember, volatility is normal. Now, we've got some important portfolio changes that we're going to be making this week to most of our client portfolios. I just want to give you an update so you can kind of watch your accounts. One of the things I want to stress to every client, and we do get this question from time to time. In fact, we had this question about a week ago from a client. You know, we have some extra cash in our account, Brian. How come we're holding so much cash? Bottom line is this. There's times we have a little more cash. There's times we have very little cash. There's times we'll raise cash. So remember, we always know the cash levels of your account or accounts. And if there's cash in that account, it's not that we forgot about something. It's because we are going to put that money to work, or we want to have extra cash for particular risk management areas that we're looking to redeploy down the road. So again, understand your concerns. But again, we will hold cash from time to time. Sometimes it's less. Sometimes it's a little bit more. Generally speaking, the overall U.S. economy is doing well. Of course, there was all kinds of calls the last 2.5 years from most of the Wall Street firms, not from Rezny Wealth Management, about recession. As I repeatedly expressed to our clients and from our research, we were properly invested, which was beneficial, obviously, to you, the client. We don't believe in Wall Street's narrative, and we don't look at any Wall Street really general market information, news, or research, because Wall Street is highly tainted. Wall Street's goal is to get you to move your money around often and do the wrong things, in our opinion, with your money. As a fiduciary money manager, our job is to properly execute your portfolio, make the appropriate changes when necessary. And again, if we're not making a lot of adjustments, it means we're in the right spots. If certain investments in your portfolio maybe are not performing in line with other investments, that's kind of the nature of the beast. Not everything goes up at the same velocity, but there's a lot of research that goes into portfolio management. And when we add or subtract positions or we raise excess cash, again, there are reasons why we do that on a regular basis. You as a client should be happy that we're actively managing your money, not just willy-nilly putting your money to work, and not just basically plowing money into certain investments. We want to make sure we're doing the right things because, again, our number one goal is that our clients have great success with their portfolios, and we always put our clients first. One of the other things that came up from a recent client was she read an article about Warren Buffett exited the market. Now, first off, whether Warren Buffett exited the market or not has no impact on your accounts. No impact on the investment markets. But what was interesting is I asked this client, where did you get this information that Warren Buffett exited the market? By the way, Warren Buffett did not, and I'm going to repeat that, did not exit the market. He sold some stocks. He bought some other stocks. Remember, Warren Buffett is a money manager. Warren Buffett buys stocks, buys bonds, buys other assets, raises cash, and does different things with his overall portfolio. That's the same thing that Rezny Wealth Management does. So if you see something on the internet, remember, a lot of what's on the internet today is factually not fact-based at all, and a lot of it is really propaganda. So again, when I asked this client, where did she get this information that Warren Buffett exited the market, which was clearly false information, she sent me a screenshot. It was basically clickbait or an advertisement that basically Warren Buffett is selling stocks, should you. It's basically a way to you to click on their advertisement so they then can sell you what they want to sell you. At the end of the day, whether Warren Buffett's in the market, out of the market, it has no impact on your portfolio, and it has no impact on our decision making at all at Rezny Wealth Management. A lot of research, again, goes into portfolio management. The economy overall is doing well. The U.S. consumer has been resilient, although they are pulling back a little bit, which is normal after all the free stimulus money. But we're still looking for the economy to grow about 2.5% this year. We firmly expect, as we are in this month, that the Fed's going to be reducing rates to basically keep the economy on a more stable ground. We don't see signs of recession at all. In fact, we have a potential for a year-end maybe rally, we're hoping. But again, volatility is normal. We might come down 5% before we go up another 5%. Always remember that. As a client of the firm, if you have any concerns or questions, please give us a call. If you need to schedule a phone or office review, give us a call. As always, we appreciate your business, your trust, and your referrals. Keep us in mind. If you have friends that are not happy with the way their money is being managed, refer Rezny Wealth Management. We love to get referrals. It helps our business grow. Have yourself a safe and profitable day.